Hey guys, welcome back. Now, before we actually start doing the little itty bitty pieces, let's explain this case study. I'm going to go through the actual story behind what we're going to be working on. So, I've found it's always better to be working on something with a story rather than just doing random generic formulas and commands, which I've seen so many other Udemy courses do. So, the case study we'll be looking at is a topic that is very near and dear to my heart and my stomach. If you're one of my friends, you'll understand that. And that topic is hot dogs. I've put together an imaginary hot dog business where we'll be buying hot dogs to sell, then we'll be selling hot dogs, we'll be buying more hot dogs to put into our stock, and then we'll try and forecast or project how many hot dogs we'll sell for the rest of the year. So immediately you can see the capabilities of Excel when I use the word forecast. One of the things I do on a daily basis is try and determine patterns and forecast for different things in my life, like my finances, business needs, place where I work, company goals, and so on. So, for yourself, imagine where you could apply these same techniques in your lives. Something this simple. Imagine being able to plot your expenses and to statistically prove that you have enough money for the house, for the kids, or even if how much extra you have just for fun. Things like making sure, let's say you have a lemonade stand, it's making enough money to cover your expenses. As the topics get more complex and you add more techniques to your repertoire, you start doing more and more information, larger information, and it just balloons. It's like a snowball effect. It all starts here, learning the basics, a basic table with these fundamental operations. So let's get started. I'll see you guys next time.